Welcome to Natalies Treehouse.
Hi guys, welcome to Natalie's Treehouse.
Yeah, hi guys, welcome to Natalie's Treehouse.
Let's see what this is. I have some blinking on it.
Yep, I have a surprise for Natalie. Alright, you want to lift off the blanket and let's see what it is?
Wow!
Do you know what it is? It's a Kinetic sand ice cream truck.
Whoa!
So you want to open it up?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it starts right here.
Wow! Wow! Ice cream truck.
It's a really cute ice cream truck. What else is in there?
Some two sand. There's some blue and pink.
Oh, wow, and then some instructions. Alright.
Where's the cone? Oh, there it is in there. So can we open it?
First, let's open this part.
I love the sand. It's so squishy.
Yep. Alright.
It's scissors.
So we have some wheels.
Here's some stickers.
Some stickers.
So let's put it right here. Now we can open sand.
I'm going to pour the pink in. Should I pour the blue in there with it?
No.
No?
And this.
I don't think it's going to fit. Here, I'll put it right here on the side first. See? Okay. Now, let's leave this
right
in the
here.
middle.
So let's put some small ice cream here. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Right here we need a lot. And more and more and more.
Alright, now can you turn that handle? Turn it, turn it, turn it. Alright, now turn it back. Let's see. Did it turn out? Hey, look, we got a little ice cream and ice cream cone. Should we put some more in there?
Okay.
Yeah.
We should put some more in there.
I want to see if I can use any of these stencils to make anything cool. Hey, we can share, we can share. Alright. Ah! Look!
And some.
I made a heart. How cute. A heart for you, my love. So do you like this Kinetic sand stuff? Yeah, is it pretty fun?
It's pretty stretchy.
It's pretty stretchy.
Yeah.
I like how it feels in my fingers.
I like how it feels.
And how it sticks together. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Maybe we should put a little top here.
Do you think maybe you can make some ice cream for our friends?
Yeah.
Alright, make some ice cream for our friends. We should give them some before we go. Bye.
This will have to come in.
Oh, what a beautiful scoop of ice cream.
Here, friends.
Here, friends. Natalie made this just for you. Looks like some raspberry and some blueberry ice cream. Yummy.
It's in back.
Okay, Natalie, I think it's time we tell all of our friends bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye, guys.